On the floor, motherfucker.
I said get your ass on the floor, you dirty son of a bitch. Spread eagle. Movement!
Get him.
San Francisco's finest. Mitch.
He's clean.
We want all the pigs out of here. Second, we want a car with a police radio. Deliver it right out there in front. We're taking 2 hostages, both the women. You don't do exactly what I tell you, you blow their fucking heads off. You got the picture?
Yeah.
Well, what are you waiting for? Run, jive-ass bastard!
What do they want?
Want a car. Give him one.